This week I've come to Motorline BMW in Brisbane to learn about the Alpina range of BMWs. In particular, it's the XD3 SUV, which is a more luxurious performance engine version of the BMW X3. Let's go and have a look and find out how good it is as a baby drive. The upholstery on the seats of the Alpina are beautiful leather, so I am a little bit worried about putting child seats on them. There are ISOFix in the two outer seats. They are within plastic guides and really nice and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages on the back of all three seat backs, which are really nice and easy to access through the boot. Now, I managed to fit 3 child seats in the back here, which is fantastic. And with a rear-facing child seat installed, a 182 centimetre passenger could sit in front of them. Storage in the back of the Alpina XD3 is quite good. There are 2 cup holders in a fold down in the central seat back here. They will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. There are net mat pockets on the back of both front seats. They will hold but not conceal an iPad. And the door bins are nice and large. They will hold a large refillable water bottle, and a wallet will fit in there too. The doors don't open very wide on this XD3, but they do have these fantastic built-in shade blinds in the rear windows, which are fantastic for shielding those little rear passengers from the sun. In the front, the storage is quite good. There are 2 cup holders in the central console here. They will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. In front of them is a little cordless phone charging well as a USB port. The central console box is quite small, but it does have a good armrest lid. The glove box is a good size. It will hold my iPad as well as my wallet, and there's a little storage space just down by your right knee too. The door bins are a good size. They will hold a large refillable water bottle, and there's space behind them for a wallet as well. The boot door of the Alpina XD3 opens and closes nice and quietly. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot. Empty, it will hold 14 shopping bags, or the Mountain Buggy Duet twin stroller and 3 shopping bags, or the Britax Flex tandem stroller and 7 shopping bags, or the Mountain Buggy Urban Jungle single stroller and 6 shopping bags, or the Mountain Buggy Nano compact stroller and 11 shopping bags, or a large dog. The XD3 is a lovely car to drive. The Alpina adaptive suspension is really smooth and smooths out all the bumps in comfort mode, whereas in sport mode it's much firmer and a bit more of a fun ride. In comfort mode it would be really good in the back for small kids and family. However, in sport mode you could just have a little bit of fun when you're on your own. The media system in the Alpina is really lovely and easy to use and navigate. It doesn't have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, but that is coming apparently. Now, you can use the touchscreen, and also there's a rotary dial down in the central console to control it too. When I put it into reverse, the camera image is lovely and clear. You can press on the buttons on the screen for the different camera views, which is really good, so you don't hit the curbs, and also you can change which parking sensors are on the screen too. So to sum up with the BMW Alpina XD3, it is a fantastic baby drive. It will fit 3 child seats in the back, like the X3. The boot space is good, and it's a very comfortable drive.
Read the full reviews at BabyDrive.com.au.